My name is Fajri Syahif Fadila. I will describe what is computer and what inside it. Now let's begin. A computer is an electronic device that processes data to produce meaningful information. Inside it, there are various components such as hardware, software, and operating system that work together to make the computer function effectively. Now let's begin with a question. What is a computer? First use a computer word. The computer word was first used in 1913 by Richard Bright White in his book The Young Man's Gleanings. At that time, the word a computer didn't mean machine, but a person who did calculation by hand. Later, in the mid-20th century, the word began to describe an electronic machine that can calculate and process data automatically. And now, a computer known as an electronic device that can store, process, and display data. It helps people to many tasks faster and easier. Or a machine that follow instructions to solve problem and complete tasks. It can be used for writing, playing games, browsing the internet, and many other activities. Also, we can say an electronic devices that store, retrieve, and process data and can be programmed with instructions. A computer is composed of hardware and software. It can exist in variety of sizes and configuration. Now, is type of computer, and there are several types of computer, each with different functions and performance levels. For example, supercomputer, there is the highest performance level, and more complicated functions, and a personal computer, which is familiar. Let's begin with supercomputer. A supercomputer is the fastest and most powerful type of computer. It is used for complex tasks like weather forecasting, scientific research, and space exploration. Second, it's mainframe computer. A mainframe computer is large and powerful, used by big companies or government to store and process large amount of data. Third is mini computer. A mini computer is smaller than a mainframe, but can still handle several tasks at once. It is often used in small organizations or departments. Personal computer, or a microcomputer, is also known as a PC. It is the most common type, used at home, school, or office. Examples include desktop computers and laptop. The last is embedded computer. An embedded computer is built inside other device to control their functions. You can find it in smartphone, washing machines, cars, motorcycles, and the other things. Now, I will tell you what inside the computer. Okay, inside a computer, there are key components such as the ALU, arithmetic logic unit, control unit, memory, and input-output. They are working together to process data, store information, and perform tasks efficiently. There have main components such as ALU, control unit, memory, and input-output. ALU, or arithmetic logic unit, is capable of performing two classes of operation, such as arithmetic and logic. Next, control unit. The control unit manages the computer various components. It reads and interprets the program instruction, transforming them into a series of control signals with active other parts of the computer. It's like a brain for human. Next, a memory. Computer main memory comes in two principal varieties: RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read-only memory. RAM can be read and written to any time the CPU commands it, but ROM is preloaded with data and software that never changes. Therefore, the CPU can only read from it. Next, input-output devices. Input and output is the means by which a computer exchanges information with the outside world or our world. Let's begin with input devices. Input devices is any peripheral piece of computer hardware equipment used to provide data and control signal to an information processing system such as computer information appliance or other. For example, input devices is like microphone, keyboard, joystick. Next, output devices. Output devices is any piece of computer hardware equipment used to communicate the result of data processing carried by an information processing system such as computer, which convert the electronically generated information into human readable form. Okay, generate information into human readable form. Output devices. The example is like monitor or printer. That's it from me, Fajri Saifadila. Describe what is computer and what inside it. Thank you for watching.